Welcome to another lesson in English writing skills. Man is born free, and yet we see him everywhere in chains. Where there is freedom, so there are boundaries. Now, just like these contradictory statements, the topic we are going to do today is another contradiction called view and counter view. View and counter view is like a debate. View means writing in favor of the topic, and counter view means to go against that topic. Important tips: include all relevant points that are necessary. Put forth your points strongly, provide data and statistics to prove your point, give information but don't preach. You give the fact but don't say how you feel about it and what should be or what should not be done. Use easy language, correct and small sentences. Do not offend any person by using political, racial or rude statements. View is a statement about any topic. The supportive good points of the topic are given. For example, the use of helmets. So the good topics are they are meant to keep a person safe. In case of an accident, a person has a chance to survive, protects the face from dust, sun, etc., reduces the sound of wind, helping the rider to hear other sounds. So these are the positive points in favor of helmets. The negative points or the counter view has the bad points of the view topic or the opposite points. Helmets are of no use because they are expensive, inconvenient to carry, there's a feeling of suffocation and it is risky. Therefore, we don't want to use helmets. The view, written in a paragraph, you first need a title: Lifesavers Helmets. Traffic today has become the bane of our lives, the most troublesome things of our lives. There are too many vehicles on the road, so riding two-wheelers helps to move through the traffic more speedily than other vehicles. But to do so effectively, one must use a helmet. Helmets help to keep the rider safe. In case of any unforeseen accident, it may be the lifesaver as it helps to keep the head and therefore the brain safe. A helmet also keeps the rider safe from dust particles, insects, and hot sun, helps to reduce unnecessary harsh vehicle sounds, which is beneficial to the rider. Wearing a helmet will ensure that you are complying with the traffic rules and you are less likely to be stopped by the traffic police. Now we go on to the counter view. Helmets are unnecessary. Now, though helmets are safety devices that must be used while riding, there are many problems faced while using them. Helmets are expensive. People cannot afford to buy the good quality ones. They are also inconvenient to carry around, especially while going for an interview or to other important places. Helmets may also be risky, as it is possible that important sounds while riding are missed out. Sometimes even a helmet is not enough to protect you while in an accident. Some riders feel suffocation while using a helmet. They prefer to be free from the restrictive covering and enjoy the ride and the feeling of nature. So every point that you have spoken in the view, now you have spoken negatively in the counter view. One more view and counter view exercise. Prepare a paragraph to be used as the counter view on the following topic: science is a curse to human beings. Okay, the following points in the view: science is a blessing to human beings, should be used Science has helped man to make progress in many areas, has given man many facilities, it increases the efficiency and speed of man, and has made man powerful. Science increases the lifespan of man. So now you use these points to write your counter view already titled Science is a Curse to Human Beings. Science is said to be a blessing to human beings, but this is not true. In fact, science has made man's life so terrible that it should be called a curse to human beings. Though science has helped man in his progress, it has also put his life under threat. Weapons like nuclear bombs, pistols, rifles, guns, etc. have become a hazard to human life. The facilities which science provides to man many a time make him idle and lazy. Science increases the speed of work but has also resulted in the loss of enjoyment and joblessness. The balance of nature is overthrown by man with the help of science. There is increase in various kinds of pollution and environmental problems due to science. Man loses his peace of mind and has even started to become robotic. Developments in the field of science has also led to the destruction of female babies before birth. Some medicines also have serious side effects. Keeping in mind all these points, it can be said that science is a curse to human beings. Again, all the points that were in the view, we use the points to write a counter view. Television is good to human beings. Now we have to prepare a counter view to this topic, and the view given is that television is an easy and cheap source of entertainment. We are kept informed and up to date with news around the world. Educational programs increase knowledge and make us more aware of things around us. Cooking channels, other home improvement channels offer new recipes and methods. TV helps learning a new language. It helps you feel less lonely, expands your mind, and gathering around the television brings families and friends closer together. So this is your positive view. Now let us go to the counter view. Television, the bane of life. So we begin the counter view with a line from the view itself. Cheap, easy method of entertainment. But we use it in a negative manner. Though television is said to be a cheap, easy method of entertainment, what does having a TV in the house really mean? It is a bane to the lives of young minds, meaning it is troublesome to the lives of young minds. Sex, crime and violence are frequently depicted or shown on television and may have negative effects on children. TV also prevents children from taking their studies seriously. Adults also neglect household chores in order to watch TV. Watching too much TV is not good for our health, leading to obesity, that is putting on too much of weight, sleep difficulties, behavior problems, lower grades in school and other health issues. Television makes us antisocial, meaning we don't want to deal with human beings, and takes the place of family and friends. It is a waste of time, and a person can spend this wasted time doing other things like interacting with other human beings, being active physically, discovering outdoors, going on treks, reading, using one's own imagination, doing housework or chores, spending time with hobbies like art, music, etc. There's nothing good on TV anyway. With hundreds of channels available, viewers spend hours just flipping channels trying to find something that is worthwhile to watch. So this was your counter view on the good things about television.